Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to my channel. We are in Publix this week so I can show you the best deals that you can pick up from June the 17th through the 24th. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is a today only deal for my half BOGO shoppers because the coupon expires today. So the cabbage cheese is on sale, buy one get one free for $3.50. You'd want to grab 3 of these for $5.25. Use this $1.50 off of 3 digital coupon. That's going to make your final price $3.75 or $1.25 each. And if you prefer, you can get the shredded cheese. Grab 3 of them for $7.50. After the $1.50 digital, your final price would be $6 for 3 of them or $2 each. These huge containers of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent are on sale, buy one get one free for $14.78. But you want to be careful when you picking these up because one of these do not attach to the IBOTTA rebate. And the way that you can check that is just by pulling the rebate up and hit check product code. You saw that one attached. Hit it again. You see this one is not attaching, and then this last one is attaching. So when you are picking these up, make sure that you pick up this one, the odor blasters, or this one. If you're in the half BOGO area, you can pick up one of these for $7.39 because your items do ring up half price. After this $5 rebate, which is a limit of 1, your final price will be $2.39. If you live in Florida, you have to pick up 2 of them for $14.78. After that $5 back from IBOTTA, your final price will be $9.78 or $4.89 each. And these are also decent deals on the dryer sheets and the scent beads, the Arm & Hammer. Both of these are buy one get one free, $6.49 for the scent boosters, and then $4.99 and $4.59 for the dryer sheets. Also on sale are the Downy products as well, buy one get one free for the rinse, and also the Downy Unstoppables. And if you do pick up the Downy products, make sure that you submit your receipt over to Stock is Free for tracking. So if you like the Clorox toilet wand products, they are not on sale, but they're priced for $14.59 for the starter kit. But when you buy the starter kit, you'll get the refill for free, which is priced at $8.29. So that's a really good savings. Plus, there is a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate. That's going to make your final price for both of these just $14.34. So these Scrub and Bubbles Easy Clean multi-purpose cleaners are buy one get one free for $4.99. Be careful because these products are not included in this week's sale. It's just this Easy Clean and this Fresh Gel. They're $4.99. We do have 75-cent off printables on coupons.com. You can print out 2 of them, use those. Your final price for 2 of these will be $3.49 or $1.74 each. Can y'all believe the regular price for this item? $29.65, which is insane. But if you need one of these, this is pretty much the same price as what it would be if you would go to Walmart to get it. So it's on clearance now for $14.82. If you need a step stool, these are on clearance as well for $8.44. And if you need a caddy, this is good for putting like your cleaning supplies and things like that in, and it's pretty big. These are on clearance for $3.49. So this week the Cetaphil products are on a instant savings for $3 off, and there's so many different ones to choose from, as well as the baby products. And we also have plenty of IBOTTA rebates, so make sure that you scan while you're in store. So the item that I spotted as I looked at all of these tags is this lotion right here, the Advanced Radiance Lotion, and it's priced for $6.24 at my store. So after the instant savings, which this will come off of each one, $3 off of each one, but then over on IBOTTA, we do have $3 IBOTTA rebates. That's going to make each one of these just 24 cents. So I'm actually going to do this on my account and my husband's account because for 24 cents, you definitely cannot beat that for Cetaphil. And if you want to pick up the baby wash, it will be $3.29 after the instant savings. Then you can submit over to IBOTTA for this $1.50 rebate. That's going to make the final price $1.79. The Old Spice deodorant is on promotion of save $7 instantly for every $20 that you pick up. So you can mix and match between the items. We do have digital coupons and IBOTTA rebates. Make sure you scan the products in the IBOTTA app and in the Publix app to make sure that they attach to the corresponding rebates and coupons. The Sara Lee bread is on sale. Buy one get one free for $3.99 for the classic white, $4.99 for the honey wheat. I'm going to grab two of these for $3.99 and use two of these $1 coupons. I actually have two of these donation sheets, and these are at the register. You can donate as little as $1 and get this full sheet of coupons, but using these two coupons right here is going to take my total down to $1.99 for both of these, or just 99 cents each. So there are several different meat deals going on this week. The first one is on St. Louis style ribs, which are on sale. Buy one get one free for $5.99 a pound. The Springer Mountain Farms bags of wings are on sale for $6.99. If you have those coupons that they send out monthly, they're usually $1.50 each. You can grab one of these for $5.49 for the bag. This is also a decent deal on the boneless, skinless chicken breast. They are buy one get one free. You can get the smaller packs or the bigger packs. The Halo Top ice cream is on sale this week for $6.19. Buy one get one free. You can use this $2 digital coupon from the app. It will make your final price $4.19 for both. The Blue Bunny ice cream is buy one get one free this week for $5.89. If you live in the Half BOGO area, you can grab one of them for $2.95. After this 75-cent off digital coupon, your final price would be $2.20 for one. If you live in Florida, you have to grab two of them. After that digital, your final price will be $5.14 or $2.57 each. Another ice cream deal that you can do is on the Bomb Pops. You can choose from the original, or you can pick up the Nerds variety. No matter whichever one you decide, make sure you pick up 6 boxes. So 6 boxes is going to total you up to $29.94 before the sale, $14.97 after the sale. We have this 5 off of 20 digital coupon that will come off based off of the pre-sale price. So that is going to take your total down $9.97 for 6 of these, or $1.66 each. The Totino's Pizza are buy one get one free. So you want to pick up 4 of these, which will total you up to $4. We do have a digital coupon on the Publix app, which is $1 off of 4. And then we also have an IBOTTA rebate of $1 back when you purchase 3 of them. And then check your Fetch accounts to see if you have the offer of $1.25 back when you purchase 2 General Mills products. That's going to take my total down for 4 of these down to 75 cents, or just 19 cents each. Totino's Ultimate Pizza is buy one get one free for $3.19. If you live in the Half BOGO area, pick up one of them for $1.59. You have this 50-cent digital coupon that is going to make your final price just $1.09. If you live in a True BOGO area, you have to pick up 2 of them for $3.19. After the 50-cent digital coupon, your final price will be $2.69 or $1.34 each. The Brawny paper towels are on sale this week. Buy one get one for $15.49. If you still have your $1.50 digital coupon and you live in a Half BOGO area, you can grab one of these for $7.75. Use that $1.50 digital coupon. And also, if you have the donation sheet, there is a $1 coupon there that you can use as well. So that is going to take your total down to $5.24 for 1 pack. If you live in a True BOGO area, you need to pick up both of these for $15.49. After 2 of these coupons, if you have them, plus that $1.50 digital, your final price will be $11.99 for both of these, or just $6 each. The Pringles chips are buy one get one this week for $3.29. What you want to do is grab 4 cans for $6.58. We have this 3 off of 4 digital coupon. Your final price will be $3.58 for all 4 cans. The Tate's Bake Shop cookies are buy one get one for $6.69. You can pick up 2 of them, but be careful which ones you pick up because not all of them attach to the IBOTTA rebate. But picking up 2 of the included ones, you can submit to IBOTTA for this rebate for $1 back on each one. That would make them $4.69 for 2. The Honey Nut Cheerios are on sale this week. Buy one, get one for $4.99. I'm going to pick up 2 of them for that price. I have these 2 digital coupons, which is $1 off of one. I also have 75 cents back on each box from IBOTTA and 85 cents back from Fetch Rewards for purchasing 2. That's going to make my final price for 2 boxes just 64 cents or 32 cents per box. The Nature Valley granola is on sale this week. Buy one, get one for $5.99. You can pick up 2 of them and check to see what digital coupons you have. If you have the 2 $1 coupons, use those. That's going to take your total down to $3.99. Then submit over to IBOTTA for 50 cents back on each one. That's going to take your total down to $2.99 or $1.50 each. Also on sale this week is the Bare Naked granola for $4.79. Buy one, get one free. We do not have any rebates, but if you have any Peely coupons, you can use those to make them cheaper. The Juicy Juice is on sale this week, $4.79. Buy one, get one free. You can pick up 2 of them for that price. Then submit over to IBOTTA for 75 cents back on each one. That is going to make your final price for 2 of these $3.29 or $1.64 each. And I think I'm going to grab 5 of these. These yogurt covered raisins are on sale for $3. Check to see if you have the 75-cent IBOTTA rebate. That's going to make them just $2.25. Here's a look at the receipt for my big transaction. Everything rung up just fine. All of my digitals and coupons came off as well, and my subtotal was $34.91. Here's my second receipt, and my total was $17.62 out of pocket. So for that first receipt, after my corrections go through on Fetch Rewards, I'll get back $2.10. From IBOTTA, I received back $17.25. So that totals $19.95 that I received back after spending the $34.91 out of pocket. That makes that total for that transaction just $14.96. For the second transaction, I received back $11 from IBOTTA after spending $17.62 out of pocket. So the total for that transaction was $6.62. So the grand total for everything that I picked up this week was just $21.58. So there's some decent deals going on at Publix this week. So make sure that you get there before the sale ends. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen in this video, make sure you drop them down in the comment section. Remember to hype the video, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and also share it out to a friend. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I will talk to you all in my next one.